Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to share your chart setup on TradingView. If you've ever wanted to show someone exactly how your chart looks, your indicators, your time frames, your colors, there's a simple built-in way to share it with a single link. This is perfect for collaborating with a teammate, sending a setup to a friend, or keeping a consistent layout across devices without exporting files. Whether you're sharing your trading strategies, presenting your analysis to a client, or just helping a friend replicate your chart for educational purposes, this feature is incredibly useful. Start on your chart in TradingView. Look toward the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the name of your layout. It might be a custom name you've given it or a default one. Right next to that name, there's a small caret icon, which looks like a little triangle. Click that caret to open the layout options. This is the menu where TradingView keeps the controls for managing and sharing your layout. It's a centralized hub for controlling all aspects of your chart setup. Inside this menu, you'll see an option to enable sharing. Turn on sharing here. Enabling it tells TradingView that you'd like to make this specific layout accessible via a link. TradingView will then generate a unique URL tied to your layout, so others can open it and view your setup as you've saved it. This doesn't expose your account or personal data. It simply provides a portable view of the chart configuration you're choosing to share. This is especially helpful for traders who want to ensure consistency when sharing setups across multiple platforms or devices. Once sharing is enabled, a copy link option will appear. Click Copy Link, and the URL will be placed on your clipboard instantly. From here, you can paste it anywhere you like. Send it in a message, drop it into a chat thread, include it in a document, or keep it in your notes for quick access later. Anyone who opens that link will see your chart layout as it's configured at the time they view it. It's a straightforward way to make sure someone else is looking at the same setup you are, without needing to rebuild your chart from scratch. This can save time and frustration, especially when collaborating with others or showing a specific setup to a colleague. That's the whole process. Click the caret next to your layout name, enable sharing, then copy the link and paste it wherever you want to share it. If you plan to use the link often, consider saving it somewhere convenient so you don't have to repeat the steps every time. It's a simple habit that makes collaboration easier and keeps your workflow smooth. Having your chart setup accessible with just one click makes it far easier to stay consistent with your analysis across different devices or share insights quickly without unnecessary back and forth. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you share your TradingView chart setup quickly and confidently. Whether you're working with a team, collaborating with clients, or simply want to keep your charts synced across your devices, this feature will streamline your process and enhance your trading experience.